Everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Tuesday, February 1st, 2022. Today is also the first day of the Lunar New Year, the year of Tiger. I wish you luck, love, wealth, and good health for the new year. After the month of January, you see that a lot of people are afraid of the bear market, and they keep listening to the news or unexperienced guru. They decided to sell all and walk away from the stock market. On Sunday market forecast, by using technical analysis, I show you on the chart that the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq found the bottom at the major confluence point and ready head up on Monday, leading by the Apple, Microsoft, ServiceNow, and pay attention for the Amazon, Google, AMD earnings this week, and UPS also. As you can see that up to this point, they all beat the earnings, and then I hope that will carry the momentum for the upside. On the upside, of course, we will have a bumpy road ahead, but we will stay in the trend until it changes. That's why people say bulls make money, bears make money. The one who chicken out get falling behind. Like Warren Buffett said, you sell when people are greedy and you buy when people are fearful. The key question here is how do you know when it's the greedy and the fear level? That's why as Stock Navigator, we will teach you how to read the chart correctly and understand the market psychology so that you can stay in the right side of the market. Now, let's take a look on the chart of the major indices so that we can see where they are at, and then we go to the sector, and then you can see what my view on a lot of bottom fishing on the video that I show you on Monday weekly market forecast. Now let's start with the chart of the S&P 500. As you can see here on Sunday video, I show you the S&P 500. They are found a support at the horizontal line. They also find a support at the upper trend line. They also found a support at the buy zone. So the market is right at the confluence point, and the market is oversold. So the only way they have to go is have to bounce back up to the upside. So the last couple of days here, you can see that the market continue to push it up to the upside, as I mentioned on the video. So overall, the trend is still push it up to the upside. So on the way up, we have to see that the first level they have to test here back to the 50-day moving average or the upper support line here. Okay, so now become a resistance. So pay attention to when the market hit to this level. Let's see, they be able to pull back to build some momentum before they can break out, or they will continue to stay up to depend on how the investor and institution they want to hold up their position. But the last couple of days, you can see it a very positive side for the market, be able to stabilize and continue to push it up to the upside. If you look at the Nasdaq, it's also pretty strong. They found a support at 13,681, and then now they try to head it up again. So watch out for the level of resistance when they get up there. The Dow is also pretty strong. They found a support and then they push it back up. So they need to clear that area here to continue for the upside. The Russell 2000 is a little bit weaker, but they also found a support and continue to put it back up. So the first level of resistance will be over here. So we pay attention for the level to see what the market they want to do there. You look at the euro. Somebody asked me on the euro. So the euro, I told you that also they have found support at the buy zone and continue to put it back up to the upside there. Now let's take a look on the crude oil. Crude oil is still continue to put it up to the upside. So right now, as long as the tension between the U.S. and Europe and Russia are still there, this oil stock is still hanging there with the fear of a war that can trigger any time. Okay, so let's see, they can hold on to this level. They have one level of resistance here and the next level of resistance up there. If you look at the gold is still rainbow into this triangle formation here. So, but they are a little bit bearish. So they have a strong support here. As long as they stay in this rainbow here, they still hang here. But they drop below here, it will be more bearish. Okay, so right now they are in the sideways choppy correction there. If you look at the natural gas, it also shooted up on the severe cold in the east and the southeast there. So the high demand on the natural gas right there is still hang to the upside there. If you look at the Bitcoin it also found support. Now they try to find a way up. They are not completely break out the downtrend line yet, but let's wait and see the next couple of days. They will be able to do that. Same thing like Ethereum also. The downtrend line here to hold them up until they clear that direction before the trend turn to the positive side. Look at the volatility index for the last couple of days. You see that after they hit the high here, 238 level here, and then they slam it down, with a cool down of the Omicron virus. So that one that will help the market stabilize also. So the fear level is coming down. That's a good sign. So watch out for level of support at this level. Let's see how are they doing at this level. But definitely right now they're coming down. That's a good sign for the market to be able to push it back up. Look at the 10-year Treasury note. They are still hang tight to the upside as long as the inflation is still there. So they are not backing out yet. So until they drop below here, and then the inflation will come down. But at this moment, the inflation is still there. So a lot of defense, a lot of stuff that get benefit of the inflation, like consumer stable, they still hang tight to that upside there. Okay, now let's take a look on the what else we can see here. Okay, now let's go deep into the 11 sector of S&P 500 so that we can see how they look like. So the first of all, the material tried to fall the bottom here, like I told you, and continue to push it back up there. The energy sector is still the one that hold all and leading the market to the upside. As you can see, they continue to punch to it and get up to the north right there. And then a lot of stock that we mentioned on the Sunday video, ExxonMobil, they break out and continue with his strong upside today. PXD, that's another one I highlight. Bottom fishing here is still pretty strong there also. OXY, okay, that's another strong one. It's on the way up also. The next one is the XLS, financial sector. It also follow support and put it back up, and that I mentioned a lot of stuff for you, like Visa to continue to rumble to upside. American Express, okay, that's an institutional bank. They are doing extremely well there. American Express, right? Morgan Stanley. So the three I mentioned there still continue to put it up to the upside. The next sector is the XLK, which is technology. They found a strong support here and rebound fast to the upside. Okay, so in this sector, I mentioned about the IGV, that's a software sector, also stable and find a way up to the upside there. And they're leading by Apple, as you can see here. Apple is not too far back to the top, right? And Microsoft, also they are running fast back to the upside also, okay? But Apple is much stronger than ServiceNow. That's another one that still rumble to the upside there. In the and right now, this week earnings, you can see that Google after earnings they are up about 10.93, more than 10% right now. So they are in the 3,000 level. So they get back right to the top, just like that. Okay, so they have get back to 3,000 mark already. So that could be a very bullish for the Google, as you can see here. So a lot of mega cap stock here, they continue to push it up and help the market try to find a way to put it higher. Look at the Amazon. They also doing very well too. So they are at the 3,000. Okay, so Amazon is still they're doing pretty well. A rebound from the bottom, fishing here also. And the AMD, After hour, they also go up to this level already. So all of the stock here, they are doing well. Okay, as we mentioned on the Sunday video, UPS, I watch out the UPS. That's very important. The UPS, they shoot it up to the upside because the market cannot go up without support of the transportation. So the transportation is strong, that they tell you that the market is getting better and stronger. So this one here, they break out all the level of resistance and shoot it up to the upside this morning. Well, they go up like 28, 30 point there, in one day. That's a good sign for the transportation and the technology stock right there. The XLI with the industrial sector, they also found a support and then continue to put it up to the upside. So some of the stock, they fall off after earnings, but they be able to snap back, like Caterpillar, John Deere. Okay, it still hang tight to the upside, and UBS, as you can see, that they belong to industrial. They are very strong there, and FedEx also. Okay, so if you look at the XLV with the healthcare sector, they also found a support, like I showed you on the last video. They continue to put it back up, but some stock is weak, some stock is strong, but the one that still holds strong is like Merch, right? MRK, BMY, okay, right there, still strong, or Amgen. So those stock is pretty strong. They still hang tight and try to put the final leg up to the upside there. XLP, consumer stable, it still try to hold on as long as the inflation is still there. So they up, they put down, or up, down. Now they as long as the inflation is still in the high scale, those stocks are still continue to push it up. As you can see, like Pepsi Cola, Coca-Cola, Atria, and GIS, those stocks are still hang there. Okay, McDonald, that's another one belong to this group. They still hang tight there. Okay, so it depends on the inflation. If the inflation go down, the stock people can take profit. Other than that, they have to continue to put it up to the upside. So besides these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we handpick many stocks daily and analyze in detail with the entry and the target so that you can follow. This week in the Watchlist, we looking for the bottom fishing stock like Boeing, right? They are the last couple of days, they shoot it up to the upside. A very strong move, right? Let me see, Disney, right? For example, they are still bottom fishing and push it up to the upside. That's a E, right? This one here, the Spirit Airline, another bottom fishing here. It's still doing very well, right? So that we're looking for the short-term trade, but it will bring up a good money for you. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. Thank you for watching and good luck to you. I will see you during the week. Take care and enjoy. Happy New Year, everyone. Take care.